This week's voice thread asks us to do a little bit of visual data analysis. You'll see all kinds of infographics on news websites and on TikTok videos. This is your opportunity to make sure that when you're looking at something like that you know how to interpret it. Related to either race or gender, you are going to consider a disparity that you want to understand better. You will remember that the word disparity just means a great difference. We never know if the cause of that difference is discrimination or something else. It is, however, a good moment to look at the root causes of the difference. As an example, I picked the gender wage disparity because it is a pretty common disparity that is mentioned in the book a few times. You can do a Google search and come up with some good images. However, you want to make sure that you are using a credible source, so you will want to find a reliable source first and go from there. An example of a reliable source would be the Department of Labor, or FDA. Both of those are government websites. The items that the Google search found is not infographics, only visualizations. I want you to put real data in a graphic. I can go to the DOL website and find data, then I'm going to download the data and upload it to my voice thread. Then I will make a post explaining the topic and the reasons I chose that topic. If I look at it closer, I can see the disparity between male and female workers, divided by different occupations and the data. I must also provide a reason that it is a credible source. For example, it is a government website is good enough. Other credible sources include nonpartisan centers and academic articles. You can't just say, I got it on TikTok, or a friend shared it with me on Facebook. At this point, you know how to find credible sources. You are going to explain why is the data credible? Why is this visual so helpful? How does it help explain the data? How did the charts and graphs help explain the idea? Why is it good to be able to visualize some of these things with charts and infographics in the way you've chosen? That is your task for this week. Let your instructor know if you have any questions at all. Thanks.